Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So recently I finished a Persona 5 game. It's the original one and not the real one. And Joker basically has become one of my favorite characters.
Well, I'm the Joker, baby!
Not the Joker, the other one. So in this video, I will try to replicate his hairstyle and show you how to do it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. For the first step, I'm going to use the hair straightener. And because Akira, Ren or Joker has a curly hair, so I'm going to use the one that's basically designed for a curly to wavy looks, like this. Set the hair straightener to 180 to 200 degrees. So before using the hair straightener, I recommend using a hair oil to protect the hair from the heat. And one drop is enough. Apply it throughoutly to your hair. After applying a hair oil, now let's get started creating a wavy look using this hair straightener. I use a hairpin to hold the top layer of my hair and start working with the inner layer. Do an up and down motion for that wavy look. Try not to forget the back part of your hair. And remove the pin and start working the top layer. And because he's kinda curly too, you can do a roll movement with your hair, with your hand to your hair, like so. After done with the hair straightener, I'm going to use a hair wax. So I'll be using two hair wax and mix them. This one is a Gatsby moving rubber wild shake and this one is a Gatsby top spikes. So I'm using this only to create an extra hold effect. Take an appropriate amount of the hair wax and then spread it evenly to the palm of your hand. Then start to apply it, starting from the back of your hair to the side and then to the top of your hair by rubbing it like this. Gently shake your hair. You can use a comb to tidy up the bang. Oh, that's perfect. And it's basically done. Don't forget to use the glasses. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video sucks, you can press the dislike button, but if you consider this video epic, you can press the like button and consider subscribing and check my other videos. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, links down below. And see you in the next video.